Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is Friday, December the 3rd, 2021, and I've told you earlier we have no extra puzzles in this newspaper, today's newspaper. But I've decided to solve the yesterday's newspaper. Yes. Solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper in additional of Thursday, December the 2nd, 2021. We have two puzzles left. Binary puzzle and a tectonic with 1 star. These two puzzles I've just solved today, the 1 star and the 2 stars. But now it's time for the binary puzzle, boys and girls. This will be number 3777. 3777. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. There are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here in the second column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here in the second row, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. Do I need to compare the columns or the rows? Well, we have this column and the second column. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, empty box, O, O, 1, 1, O, O. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one, yes. We have only 1 comparing, so yeah, not a lot of thinking, but I like this one. Do you think so? Do you like this one? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.